What up? It's your boy Southern Smoke Boss, back at it again. So today I got a couple slabs of baby back ribs I'm gonna do with my favorite dry rub. I'm gonna smoke them with some nice pecan wood. Excuse me. Smoke them with some nice pecan wood. Come along with me to this nice adventure. So what we're gonna do at first, I already know, wash them off and everything. I peeled the membranes off, so I'm just gonna come by here and push them together. And I'm just gonna come and hit season all over. So just gonna come and pat it all over. And just pat it, and you don't want to rub, scratch up the meat. Just pat it on there so it'll stay on. You might lose a little bit, but that little bit will be okay. Okay, so now I'm just gonna flip it over. Try not to use this right hand. See, I'm not using it, so I can come back over and touch my tank. Do y'all prefer baby back ribs, spare ribs, or the St. Louis style ribs? Me, just all my life, I was brought up on, mom just cooking baby back ribs. So I guess that's what I'm kind of still stuck on. But, the St. Louis baby backs and the spare ribs are a lot more medium. I think you get your money a little worth, but that flavor, it come in these, though. Got all them nice fat in here. That hump right there, that muscle. That's your money maker right there. That's all mine. Now I'm gonna take and put these in the fridge and let them set and marinate overnight. Hey, first thing in the morning when you lighting that smoke up, just let it roll, baby. So I got my smoke already lit. About to go ahead and place the baby back ribs on the grill. I'm gonna place them face down, the further side from the firebox. We'll go ahead and close it up. Go ahead and wrap them up. Woo. Come right there. Take that. Pull a little stuff to keep it steaming in there. Just gonna get them nice and tender right here. go ahead and unwrap my ribs. Oh. I don't want me to break in half. Not sure. Man, it's falling on apart on me. Look at this. Come on and salt these bad boys down. Yes, sir. Got my famous sauce. Go. Just let that glaze for about 15 minutes.